Today we're going to be doing this documentary. It's China. The Trade Federation army has been neutralized by Anakin Skywalker, but the battle continues in the Royal Palace. Oh, that's smart. The minions. Oh, that's what I gotta do. Okay. Okay, I see earlier area. Oh, this has a lot of studs. Can we access it? Hold on. No, it's Stormtrooper, dang it. Moving on. You! Get over here. Get over here. Get over here now. Oh, hey! This is parkour. Dang, he's a super jumper. I'm a super jumper too. That's it. Well played. Well played, my good boy. Let's make this fight honorable. So close to true Jedi. Hang on, guys. Do I see some potential stuff? Nope. Yeah, getting away. Here we go. The button. Brought it back up, except it's shorter. Ooh, almost went off the edge. That would have been disastrous. This scene. Hey, Mom. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. Maul, I'm not finished with you. Get over here. This is it, guys. Grab your popcorn, grab your soda, enjoy the fire. Ooh. Got him. Stop hopping around them. Let me kill you, Maul. Got you. He also got me. Got him. Okay, I definitely don't remember this. Get that corn out of my face. This is gonna be easy. Get that piece of trash out of here. This is it. Oh, no. Obi-Wan. He's fighting really bravely. Do it, Obi-Wan. Oh. Poor qui-gon. It's very sad qui-gon died. It's what you get. It's what you get. Rest in peace, qui-gon. Rest within the Force. May the Force always be with you. Always. And forever. Boy, I only collected too many kids. Yep, finish the story. I promise you guys, I'll make a memorial for qui-gon. I'll be eventually qui-gon. I'll be like, oh, yeah. Qui-gon may have died. Everyone won, except the bad guys. Qui-gon will always live in our hearts. But hey, guess what? Since it's Lego Star Wars, we'll break the law. How's TIE Fighter available in the shop? It's episode 1, not episode 4. Well, it's probably for that TIE Fighter gate in progress. Okay, how is Zam Whistle unlocked? She's not until episode 2. Well, you might need her. The Memorial, Darth Maul. Now you guys are like, Big Blade, what are you doing? That's the guy who killed him. Show Qui-Gon some real respect. Oh, that's not how I'm gonna do it. You didn't want to know what I'm gonna do? Oh, but before we do that, here's our girl Zam Whistle. Bounty hunter who got assassinated by Jango Fett. Okay, let's cut to the chase. Here's Darth Maul. Here's Qui-Gon's memorial. Oh, wait. So, here's his memorial. Get over here! Extra health, hey? You got some good lightsaber skills. I'm not done with you. Oh, my lightsaber attacks are missing. is what you get for killing Qui-gon. This is what you get. This is what you get for making Obi-Wan lose his original lightsaber. This is what you get for underestimating my power. That's the end of the story series. Now we're going to do a free play series here. Also, I want to see what Sam Muzzle does. I know she can access Bunny Hunter panels. But this... Okay, what's this do? Ooh, she throws a bomb. That's nice. Anyway, power up that like button, sub if you haven't subbed yet, and I'll see you next time.